Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and in this video series I will explain all the elements of the free Elementor page builder. In my opinion, the best page builder for WordPress. You can get it through ferdycorp.com/Elementor. You can download it, upload it to your website and learn a ton of stuff about Elementor on this YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like it, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe for more upcoming WordPress tutorials. Now let's get started. In this video we will take a look at the counter element. So I search for counter and I drag it over here to the section. And it starts counting immediately from 0 until 100. Now let's configure this. If I go to the starting number, you can change it. So you can say start with the number 50. And if I would update it and I preview the changes, it starts with 50. Then we have the ending number. I can say 1000. And now it starts with 50 and it goes to 1000. And you see a comma over here. We'll take a look at that later. Then we have the number prefix. So you can say we have, and a space, employees. So you can have a text before the number and a text after the number. And then it will look like this. I bring this back to nothing, so it will start with 0. And here we can take a look at the 1000 separator. Right now it's a comma, but you can also change it to a dot or to a space. I like a dot. And then here below you can have a text. And we are still growing. Something like that. Update. So this is what you can do with the counter element. We have 1000 employees and we are still growing. Now we go to the style. I can change the color of this area. I can make it green or gray. And then we can go to typography, change the size, change the font of course. We can change the weight, make it uppercases. We can change the style, make it italic for instance. You can do a lot over here. We've gone through this a lot of times already. I like the letter spacing like that. Then I close this and I go to the title. Also there we can change the color and the typography. So I can make this bigger. Also make it uppercase. Make it smaller a bit. And you can also change it for different devices. So if you go to mobile, it looks really weird like this. So you can change it, make it smaller. Also here at the number. So you can change it for all devices, which is great. Line height. Maybe you can do something with minus. Then we go to the title, typography. I go to line height. And I bring it a bit closer, like that. Update. So now it looks like that. You can also change the time of the animation. So I go to content again. Here at animation duration, you can make it 5000 milliseconds. And in that way, it takes a little bit longer to reach the number 1000. Like that. I like that. What else can we do? I add a new section with 4 columns and I drag the counter in it. So I search for counter. I drag it over here. And now I start with the number 72. And below I say love shoots. Now I go to advanced. I go to the background. I bring it to white. You don't see anything yet. But if we go to the section and I would say stretch the section, go to style, go to the background type and make it a gradient and change this to the color blue like that. Go to advanced and go to the padding and say 100. Unlink this at the right 0 and at the left 0. It will look like this. Update, counter. Now it looks like that. So I go over here again. The duration can be 4 seconds. And it says love shoots. I go to the style. I like the text color and typography of this one. And the title, I want it to be uppercase. So I say transform uppercase like that. And make it bold. Now I can duplicate this area, the column, a few times. And I remove this, and remove this. And now I say over here, 28 wedding films and 128 websites. And this one, 56 commercials made. So if I update it, I go over here, say margin top, margin bottom, 15. It gives a bit more space. And now if we take a look, we have 1,000 employees and we are still growing. 72 love shoots, 28 wedding films, 128 websites. And that's what you can do. If you want to increase the padding over here of the margin, just say 20. Also over here, advanced, 20. 20. The latest one, advanced, padding 20. Update. And that's it. That's what you can do with the counter element. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned a ton of good stuff. And feel free to like this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And then you will see me the next time. Bye bye.